This is crazy. I love waves. I wanna be where I'm free. I need waves. The waves. I wanna be where I'm free and with the waves. I miss the salty air. I breathe in when I'm there. Time and time again, I long for you. I wanna be where I'm free and with the waves.
I couldn't get all the sand off, so.
It's a rental.
It's a rental. Yes, it's for dog food.
Guys, it's getting wild outside. It's getting better and better.
Go push, baby. Go push.
Oh my gosh. I got my barnacle boots on. Dude, what? Dude. Jeff, you actually got to come out, bro.
Jeff, you gotta see this, bro.
This is unbelievable. Wow.
You can't
Every
even turn around.
single point you look at is so cool.
I just can't believe this exists in the same place that Utah is.
Yeah. Utah who?
Dude, and like the cliff right here is crazy too. Just
It literally looks like heaven, bro.
guys, I think we drove to heaven. That's crazy.
You're like a crazy person.
Look at the sea line, and then it's just clouds, and then heaven's right there. Dude, we made it.
We made it, bro.
Everyone.
Dude, in the freaking
I wanna be where I'm free and with the waves. I wanna be
Nice.
where I'm free and
That was so sick. Did he just bark?
Sorry, it's just getting really hot in here.
bro, my swimsuits.
So that's what you were saying. I wanna be where I'm free and with the waves. I wanna be where I'm free and with the waves.
That's crazy.
Hey, what's a guy gotta do to get milked around here? You rolling?
It's rolling.
Let's get a move on with this line. Am I close to it? Alright, who cut the cheese? Does ice cream have lactose in it?
Cheese
I could have gone without ice cream.
Yeah, I could have gone without ice cream, but I could also go with eating another flight of ice cream.
Get the camera.
Oh yeah. Wow. I'm gonna have big A in my pen.
Mount Hood somewhere over here. You see Mount Hood? the right. Oh, there it is. Big A Mountain.
Volcano. Big A volcano, Big A bridge.
Got it.
Look at his face, dude. The Mac Mark.
My back.
Yeah, t-shirts for 25, magnets for 5, 2 for 40.
Okay, go away.
Pretty good deal, I think. Next one's called the Panic in Needle Park.
I'm on Snowco. Leave me alone. I don't know what that was, but I hear it like